everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to give you guys the coupon preview for this Sunday, July 21st, 2019. Now, it looks like we'll be getting two different inserts, so it's up to you guys if you guys need to buy inserts or not. One thing that you guys should do, and I see a lot of people make these mistakes, is pay attention to what you guys get. Some people I see on these groups that I'm in saying, I never got this coupon and I never got this coupon. Well, a lot of these coupon repeats themselves. Usually they repeat themselves once a month or once every couple months. So just kind of keep in your head on what coupons you guys get and what coupons you don't get when you do see these kinds of previews. It'll just help you guys know in the future. I know pretty much I don't get half of these coupons, so I'm just saying that's what I get. And from couponing over the years, I do know what I get and what I don't get. But here we're going to get one Smart Source and one Retail Me Not. So here is what is coming out in the Retail Me Not. So it looks like there is buy 5, get 5 Shiba portioned cat food, which could be a good deal. Magna Life, we got $10 off Abrin. Nestle Splash Sparkling Water, $1 off of 1. We're getting all laundry detergent coupons, $1. Quilted Northern, Angel Soft Brownie. I never get those coupons, and if I do, I'm shocked. But we're getting the Nexium, $2 off of 1. Another Brownie. Food Line, which I don't have around me, $1.50 off Renews It Oils. I never get that coupon either. Snuggles, don't get that coupon, but we got $1 off of 1. Tresemme, we're getting $1.50 off of 1. Nexium, $5 off of 1. Dove Clinical Deodorant, $1.25, and then there's $1.50, 4 off of 2. That's a good coupon off of Dove Men Care Axe Deodorant. Their deodorant wipes, so 4 off of 2. Okay, so there's that. And then here is what is going to be in the Smart Source. Now, the website I forgot to mention is hotcouponworld.com. They actually show you guys a preview of the insert, so you guys can do it that way. But otherwise, I like to show you guys the wording. But here, I don't know why Pinterest is showing up, but here we got Carousel, Vagisil. I know the Vagisil, you guys see people do deals for that all the time. I never get that coupon, but there's that. Blue Diamond, $1 off of 1. Colgate Kids, 50 cents. We're getting $3 off Schick disposable razors. We're also getting a buy one get one refill, it looks like, and then a buy one get one for Schick Intuition. So there's that. Protein 190. My thing's moving on me while I'm trying to read it. 50 cents off Protein 1 calorie bars, $1 off of 1 Blue Diamond, 50 cents off of Fiber 1, and all those bars, 50 cents off of 2, I'm in. Del Monte Veggie Full Bites, we're getting Cordanta Pizzettes, Luigi's Real Italian Ice, $1 off of 1. Clucerna, 5 off of 2, and then Ensure, 5 off of 2. Those are good coupons. Another Colgate Kids mouthwash. Airwick Mini Starter Kit, $2. Lysol Wipes, 50 cents. Here we're getting $1 off of 2 for wipes, 3 off of 2 for Huggies, and 3 off of 2 for pull-ups. So those are pretty decent coupons. 50 cents off of Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. $1 off of 1 Lysol Sanitary for laundry and disinfecting wipes. Vita Fusion and Little Critters, $3 off. Usually there's some good deals with that. $2 off 1-in-1 for Clearasil, Duracell, same thing. Revlon Color Cosmetic. Sally Henson, we're getting $1 off and 2 off of 1. Tylenol, we're getting $1 off of 1. Gold Bond Cortisone. Carefree, we're getting 1 off of 1. Playtex, 1 off of 1. Sorry, hold on, Miss Charlotte. 2 off of 1 for OB. 2 off of 2 for Stay Free. $1 off of 1 for Stay Free. Then we're getting Scotch-Brite. Sorry, I got the baby. Scotch-Brite Scrub Sponges. We got $1 off of 2. I'm hoping we can get some good deals with that. $4 off Zyrtec. Now here's some good coupons that you guys want to use is $1.50 off of 2 Bic stationery products. So there's that. We're also getting 50 cents off Irish Springs soap bars and then $1 off the body wash. Now please keep in mind there's going to be some deals coming up with Irish Springs and soft soap coming up in the future. We got $1 off Colgate Enamel, $1.50 off Colgate battery powered toothbrush. We're getting $2 off Revlon Root Erase, and then $1 off of 2 hair color products. And then the buttercream. Here we also got, sorry you guys, 50 cents off of one, the liquid hand soap, and then we're getting 75 cents off the soft soap body wash, and then 50 cents off the Colgate toothpaste, and then the Biore, $22.50 off of one for that. Sorry, my kids is being crazy. But otherwise, that is it for coupons, so definitely pay attention and see what you guys get. I know some coupons I get, and I know some coupons that I don't get, so definitely pay attention to see what you guys get for your inserts. But that is an insert preview. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later.